Isotopes. ഒരു എലിമെന്റിന് ഒരു atomic number മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. Atomic number is the characteristic of an element, or we say it is the fingerprint of an element. Atomic number വെച്ചുകൊണ്ടാണ് എലിമെന്റുകളെ തിരിച്ചറിയുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ എലിമെന്റുകൾക്ക് ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ മാസ് നമ്പറുകൾ ഉണ്ടാവാം. ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള സ്പീഷീസുകളെയാണ് ഐസോടോപ്പുകൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ വാട്ട് ആർ ഐസോടോപ്സ്? Isotopes are atoms of the same element with the same atomic number and different mass numbers. ഒരേ atomic നമ്പറും വ്യത്യസ്ത മാസ് നമ്പറുകളുമുള്ള ഒരു എലിമെന്റിന്റെ വിവിധ ആറ്റങ്ങളെയാണ് ഐസോടോപ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So they have the same atomic they are the atoms of the same element having the same atomic number but different mass numbers. Mass numbers വ്യത്യാസമാണ്, atomic number same ആണ്. Atomic number ആണ് എലിമെന്റുകളുടെ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടിയെ നിർണ്ണയിക്കുന്നത്. So isotopes will have the same chemical properties. They have the same chemical properties. They have only the difference in physical properties. Normally, in nature, elements exist as a mixture of isotopes. And to separate the isotopes, we have to use only the physical methods. Because, as I told you now, they have the same chemical properties because they have the same atomic number. അപ്പോൾ ഒരേ അറ്റോമിക് നമ്പർ ഉള്ളത് കൊണ്ട് ഐസോടോപ്പുകൾക്ക് ഒരേ കെമിക്കൽ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി ആയിരിക്കും. അതുകൊണ്ട് കെമിക്കൽ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി വെച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഐസോടോപ്പുകളുടെ മിക്സ്ചറിനെ സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുവാൻ സാധ്യമല്ല. വൺ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഈസ് ദാറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഹൈഡ്രജൻ. Hydrogen exists as three isotopes. One, it is called H11, ordinary hydrogen, or it is also called procium or sometimes protium. It is having atomic number 1, mass number 1. Second isotope is H, atomic number 1, mass number 1, which is called heavy hydrogen, or it is also known by the name deuterium. Third one is atomic number 1, mass number 1. It is called tritium. It is the radioactive isotope of hydrogen. So, ordinary hydrogen is a mixture of procium, deuterium and tritium. In deuterium, atomic number is 1. So it has 1 proton and 1 electron. Number of neutron is 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Deuterium has number of proton is equal to 1. Electron also is equal to 1. Neutron will be equal to 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Tritium, atomic number is 1. So number of electron is equal to, proton is equal to 1. Neutron will be equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So when you compare the three, you can see that they differ in the number of neutrons only. They have the same number of protons, same number of electrons, but they differ in the number of neutrons. Ordinary hydrogen has no neutron, deuterium has one neutron, and tritium has 2 neutrons in it. So isotopes differ in the number of neutrons only. Another example is the isotope of chlorine. One chlorine is having atomic number 17, mass number 35. Other with atomic number 17 and mass number 37. So how many protons will be there here? Proton will be 17, electron will be 17, neutron will be 35 minus 17, that is equal to 80. For this chlorine atom, proton is equal to 17, electron is equal to 17, neutron is equal to 37 minus 17, that is equal to 20. So again, they have the same number of protons, same number of electrons, but differ in the number of neutrons only. That is regarding isotopes. Now let us go to isobars. Isobars are atoms of different elements with same mass numbers, but they will be having different atomic numbers. So what are isobars? Isobars are atoms of different elements with different atomic number, but they have the same mass numbers. So one element cannot have its own isobar. Isobar will be of different element. പക്ഷെ അതിന്റെ സ്വന്തം എലിമെന്റുകൾക്ക് ഐസോടോപ്പുകൾ ഉണ്ടാവാം. അത് ഒരേ എലിമെന്റിൻ്റെതാണ്, പക്ഷെ ഐസോബാർ വ്യത്യസ്ത എലിമെന്റുകളുടേതാണ്. One example is argon 1814, then potassium 1940 and calcium 2040. All the three. Then sodium 1124, magnesium 1224. Here you have atomic number 18, 90, 20 different. Mass number is 40, mass number 40, mass number 40. Here atomic number 11, 12 different, but mass number is 24 here. Here also it is 24. So they have the same mass numbers, and remember they are different elements. This is argon, potassium, calcium. So these three are isobars, have the same mass number. These two are another set of isobars. Third one you are studying is regarding isotones. Isotones are species with the same number of neutrons. So they will have different number of protons, different number of neutrons, electrons sometimes, but they will have the same number of neutrons. So species എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ atoms ആവാം, molecule ആവാം, ion ആവാം. Only one condition is that they should have the same number of neutrons. One example is carbon 614, nitrogen 715, oxygen 816. Here number of neutron will be 14 minus 6, that is equal to 8. Here 15 minus 7, 8. So 8. So all the three have the same number of neutrons, namely 8. Their atomic number and mass number are different, and this set is called isotone. Another example is that of calcium and potassium. 20 atomic number for calcium, mass number is 40. Potassium atomic number 19, mass number 39. Here number of neutrons will be 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. Here number of neutron is 39 minus 20 is equal to 20. So this also has equal number of neutrons, so namely 20. So they are called isotones. So two pair of isotones we have studied: carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, calcium, potassium. These are two sets of isotones. So what are isotones? Iso means same, that is a meaning. So you have studied isotopes, isobars and isotones.